all their life, can they go to heaven?
Yes, they can, because it is not me or you who has to decide who is going to heaven or hell. It is Allah who will decide who is going to heaven. If a Muslim only believes and says he is a Muslim and recite kalma and does not do good things, it does not mean that he will go to, he is liked by Allah. So it is good deeds which take you to heaven, or there are some bad deeds which take you to hell. But even then, we don't have the right to decide who is going to hell or heaven. Allah will decide. Okay? And everybody will go to heaven. Ultimately, everybody will go to heaven.